Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To make these Oreo cream cheese balls, you'll start by crushing 36 Oreos in a blender or food processor until you have fine crumbs. They won't be quite as fine as crushing them with a blender or food processor, but it will work just fine. Then, you'll mix the Oreo cookie crumbs with 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Oreo balls use cream cheese, so they have to be refrigerated. First for food safety, but also because they soften as they sit out at room temperature, and won't hold the truffle together well if it gets too warm. They will last in the refrigerator wrapped tightly for 3 to 4 weeks.
Take our lead.
36 cookies. A standard 14.3-ounce package of regular Oreo cookies contains 36 cookies. The larger 19.1-ounce family-size package contains 48 cookies. The smaller 2-ounce single-serve package contains 6 cookies.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.